Good morning, everyone. It is day 5. It's also my 35th birthday. Woke up feeling really grateful to be alive, calm in my mind, medium energy. Um, Brain feels a little foggy, but also I only got like 5.5 hours of sleep. I went to bed at 9 p.m. I just was like full of energy, so I meditated, I did breath work, I did guided meditations, I prayed, and I stretched, and I read, and just had so much energy I couldn't fall asleep. So at 12:20 I finally fell asleep. That was the last time I looked at my clock, and woke up at 5:45. Pretty energized, I'd say, for only getting that much sleep, but also ready to rest today and take it easy, not do anything too crazy. Maybe I'll go to the skate park for a little bit with Naya, with my daughter, to go ride our carvers, go get our land surfing in, and yeah, that's kind of what's going on with me as far as with fasting on day 4 and day 5. Tons of energy yesterday. Feel a little bit less energy today, but still feel really good. Haven't actually thought since I woke up like maybe 40 minutes ago about food or wanting to eat or anything like that, which is nice. So those kind of hunger pains, the ghrelin hormone has kind of come down, which takes the hunger pains away, and fully switched into ketosis and into producing ketones, and your brain's getting used to working on those, and so it starts to feel really good and clear, and everything's just kind of starting to elevate at this point. So yeah, the day 5 is a wonderful day, and technically my day 5 actually started last night because that's when I started my fast. So I'm into day 5 about 8 hours right now, and 8 hours, 9 hours. So feeling good. Day 5. All right, I love you all, and I'll see you in the next day. Please like, subscribe, and comment if there's anything in here that you had found profound or insightful, or maybe helps you to gain some courage to do some fasting yourself. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video.